Tajahao, ni hao, welcome back to Bog's channel, and today's video we're going to cook steamed pork Chinese recipe. We need here boned pork spare ribs, 250 grams. Add 1 tablespoon of flour. Give a gentle massage for 8 minutes. And now we're going to wash it for 3 times till the water is clear. And now we're going to drain it for at least 15 minutes. And now after 15 minutes, we're going to use the paper towel to take away the excess water. And put it in a bowl. And now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of ginger juice. I grated ginger to make juice. 1 teaspoon Chinese cooking wine, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1 full teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of sliced spring onion, stalk part of the spring onion, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Mix well until well combined. Add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix it again. Put cover and put inside the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. So after 1 hour, we're going to put it on a plate. Don't overlap to cook it evenly. Add sliced chilies. If you don't like spicy, just disregard it. And steam it for 40 minutes. Be sure that the water is already boiling when you put it. Now after 40 minutes, we're going to take it out. Add some spring onion for garnish. Done and serve. Thank you for watching. Bye.